please don't go. And I say, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting for you. Something never on in my head. I know what the reason. Sorry, baby, just say yes. So I speak out to the God and see you. We keep quiet, cause we're that if you do, so close your eyes. It's safe and sound for a little while. You were Romeo, you were always there, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. If you were everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you have to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Take me picture and tell me how it feels. It's love is sleeping cold, but it's real. Don't be afraid of making out of misfit. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Bye-bye, Shay. Ana, Shay. Ana. It's sweet. I get tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My baby was fading, and I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, take me. I'm feeling so alone. I'll keep waiting, boys, but you never promised this. In my head, I know what you're thinking. Nails to the ground and I'm the ring and said, Romeo, Juliet, never have to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. Except to your dad, I don't want trust. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Yes. We were both young when I first